See, boy, how depressed your dog is without you? Boy.
Where's your boy live? He doesn't even know what to do. Look at her.
Poor girlie.
Well, don't smile. You don't look depressed when you're smiling. Come here, sweetie.
You're a pretty girl.
Come
You're
here,
a pretty girl. Yeah. What is that? Are you getting ready to pounce?
Weirdo. Weirdo.
Where's my boy? Where is he?
Watching the door.
Yeah.
What are you waiting for, Lucy? What do you think's going to come through that door? Aww.